The whole personal Uber. Whoa! Alright, guess I made it. Oh boy. Let's go, Asian house. Shoes off. Let's go up the stairs.
Yeah, it's messy still.
Ooh, wee. Nice.
Peter's still fixing the computer.
So, where do you plan to put it at?
On my other room.
Your other room?
Yeah, you come and do this. Yep. Bathroom's right there.
Because this is my tour, huh?
Yeah, it's not all that.
And then this is where I'm gonna set it
Oh,
up.
okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna set up in here.
Okay.
Yeah. Everything's ready to build.
Dang.
Yep. Everything is ready for babe.
Alright. Camera. So this is what we're going to be looking at. With the other camera for like a little zoom. It's a beautiful day outside. Let's go, baby. Let's do this. Let's go. Peter. Peter. What's up, dudes?
What's up?
What's up? What are you doing?
Outside, go,
What's up, Evie? Dogs. What do you do?
go on to go birthday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You help me blow it. Ready? You gotta help me blow it. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, Ellie.
Oh, okay. No, come on. Just blow it.
Go, La. Go!
Oh, hurry.
Yeah, man, I have not disked in ages. It's been so long. So if you guys live under a rock and you guys don't know what disc golf is, it's like golf, but you play with a frisbee or a disc. This is hole 2, 405 feet for long tee and 266 feet for short, and it's par 3, I think. Alright, guys.
Accurate that way.
So we're playing CTP every hole. It is closest to the pin. Yeah, I'm doing the Asian squat. But yeah, so we're drinking like a quarter every hole. But
the thing is that it's like you're kind of like good angle of the line, you know,
I don't really want to. But yeah, let's do this, man. This is like the first actual like outside activity I actually done. So sad news. I lost my nose ring, and I'm trying to put it back in the other day, and it was kind of like bleeding, so I had to take it out now. And it's kind of bad. It's kind of healing up, so it makes a dark little hole now, but oh well, it happens. But yeah, after this, I'm gonna get a haircut, and look at my damn hair. It's so long, so I'm gonna give a haircut. Go to my brother-in-law's place, get a haircut. Let's go. clear cut, nice and clean. Oh man,
Here, let me take a picture of
it
it.
literally feel like I just lost like 5 pounds off my head.
Yep, like that on the side.
The back, I don't know if you can see the back. Let's go, baby. Feels nice. Food time.
Ma, you want to drink with us?
What's this, sausage?
Yeah, this is Jakku's favorite here.
Oh.
Oh, where's that from?
Kuntai?
King Thai?
Wow, dude.
What is that?
Alright, eat this first and I'll tell you what it is.
That's intense.
I'm not worried about that. Yeah.
Oh, there's rice in here too.
Dogs like me. And I love dogs too. Isn't that right, Evie?
Find my way.